Everyone thinks MrBeast became rich because of YouTube. That sounds true, but it isn't the whole story. If YouTube stopped paying him tomorrow, MrBeast would still have multiple businesses making money. So, where does his wealth actually come from? Let's find out. MrBeast uploaded videos for years before becoming famous. In the beginning, very few people watched his content. He kept improving. He studied what people enjoyed. He experimented again and again. Eventually, millions of people started watching. Today, his videos receive billions of views. Those views generate money through YouTube ads. But here's something surprising. Making a MrBeast video costs a lot of money. Some videos cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some cost even more. That means YouTube ads alone are not enough. So, he built something bigger. Once MrBeast became one of the biggest creators, brands wanted to work with him. Instead of showing boring advertisements, he includes sponsors naturally inside his videos. Because millions of people watch every upload, companies are willing to pay a premium for many creators. Sponsorships become a major source of income. But for MrBeast, this is still not his biggest business. This is where everything changed. Instead of promoting someone else's products, MrBeast created his own brand. Feastables, a chocolate company. Now think about this. A YouTube video earns money only after people watch it. But chocolate sells every single day, whether a new video is uploaded or not. That is the power of owning a business. Instead of renting attention, he owns the product. But chocolate sells every single day. Feastables is not the only income source. MrBeast also earns from merchandise, brand collaborations, licensing, and other business ventures. Every successful creator understands one thing: never depend on only one source of income. Because if one stream slows down, the others continue working. Many people think MrBeast works alone. He doesn't. Behind every video, there are editors, camera operators, producers, designers, writers, managers, business experts, and many more people. MrBeast is no longer just a YouTube channel. It operates like a full company. Most people believe YouTube creates millionaires. That is only part of the story. YouTube gives creators attention. Business turns that attention into long-term wealth. That is exactly what MrBeast understood. He didn't stop after getting views. He built products. He built companies. He built multiple income streams. And that is why his empire continues to grow. So, if YouTube disappeared tomorrow, MrBeast would still have businesses generating revenue. That's the difference between being a creator and building an empire. Which creator should I break down next? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more creator business stories.